We're starting with Gladys imitating Ralph. Go.
Alright, man, let's go, man, let's go. I see you. I, man. Very good.
That's Alora as Gladys. Hey man!
I'm Angelica! Look at my boob! Umasiya yung particle sa'yo! Nag-slide po now!
Wait, mine's already big! And then, let's go. Babe, why are you doing that? Stop it! Papa! What's good, man? I'm gonna get Papa, stop acting like that!
I got 10 tummy tuck and I'm still fat!
Man! No, pretend you're gonna stretch this out. Man, don't be pulling my shirt like that! Hey, man, watch out. Let's go. Babe! Hey, guys! I'm Robbie! My purple hair! Oh, shit!
You can't be that fat because I'm not that fat.
Shut up!
Let's zoom into her.
Bob, come on, Rob.
Let's zoom into her legs. How do you zoom in?
What's good, man? Go like, right here. You go.
Alright.
So, bro, wag mo nang balik yung cups.
Oh damn, those are big legs.
What's good, man? Hey, this is Robbie! Robbie's pubic hair! Look, it's going! I'm trying to... This is how I put the cover about it.
Hey Gladys, get booked.
Yeah, but... Hey! Robbie's hair!
Look at those fat ass legs.
Okay, let me get booked, man.
Look at my pubic hair.
Is that better than your ears? You have a song? Hey,
Get booked, Gladys, get booked.
Boom.
Let's see Gladys.
Hey!
Alright.
Alright. Please, man.
Let's go, man!
Alright.
We're gonna watch this.